TikTok has a great feature called Profile Views, which allows users to see information on who is viewing their profile. Today, let's discuss how you can switch on this feature and why it's something you should do to help you grow your TikTok profile. Let's get started. Number 1. How to switch profile views on TikTok on and off again. To turn on profile views, you'll need to first open up the TikTok app, then click on the profile icon in the bottom right. Now, alongside the 3 lines in the top right, you will be able to see the symbol of an eye. If you tap this icon, you will be taken to a screen explaining the profile views feature and letting you turn it on. Click the Turn On button at the bottom of the page. Once you turn on the feature, you will now receive a notification in the inbox that you can use to visit the Profile Views page. It can also be accessed from the eye symbol in the profile screen that you tapped to turn on the feature. To switch the feature back off again, you can head to the eye symbol and you'll now see a cog symbol in the top right. Tap this and you'll see a screen with a switch to turn the feature back off. You can do this at any time. Number 2. How you can use the Profile Views feature on TikTok. As soon as you've switched on the Profile Views feature, you'll be able to see who is visiting your profile by visiting your profile page and clicking the eye symbol again. You will now get to see a list of usernames of everyone who visited your profile with the most recent visitor at the very top. The list goes descending in that order up to a period of 30 days. You can access this list whenever you want via your profile page. This gives you information about who engages with your profile directly. You can see the full list, and if someone is visiting your profile multiple times, they will keep popping up to the top of the list. Over time, you will get a good idea of who your most frequent visitors are, and you can look into their profile to see what they are posting themselves and what topics they are interested in. Number 3. The pros and cons of using the TikTok Profile Views feature. The biggest pro by far to using the Profile Views feature on TikTok is the amount of information you can get about who is watching your videos and engaging with your profile. If you are a content creator, this is huge and can really help decide what your viewers are looking for from future content. It can also be good for identifying if someone is visiting your profile frequently. You may not wish to see your content, so you can block the account if you need to protect your account from them. The only real con to using the Profile Views feature on TikTok is that you will show up as a visitor on other people's profile views lists as you visit their profiles too. This can't be turned off if you have profile views active on your profile. So if this is a deal breaker for you, having the Profile Views feature switched on is probably not for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.